investigator, let's pick an officer, so we can have this court opened up, huh? All right, let's get going.
I think she in training.
Oh, you got the feeling?
She said it was training her.
All right, let's get going. What are we gonna do? You need to speak with the attorney on Gomelli and Lori.
Yes, Your Honor. I think I need to speak to the prosecutor regarding these clients, if that's possible.
Yeah, well, we'll wait until that. You definitely have an opportunity to. Ms. Grant, I got your, you don't have to change your name. We'll wait and definitely give that person an opportunity to show up. I'll get you in the breakout when that person shows up.
Thank you so much.
All right, everyone, you ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Aricia Patrice Love, case number SP 1411530, counts 1 and 2, SP 1411530-3, SP 1411541, count 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
L. S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Love, are you there?
Aricia Love, can you unmute your device?
Yes, I'm here.
State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Erica Patrice Love.
Erica, I'm sorry. Today is the day and time set for a free trial. Ms. Love, you want to pay a defective equipment and a expired plate, $145 and $120. We'll dismiss the rest. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room if you choose. Both of those matters are civil infractions. They do not carry points. Therefore, there will be no abstraction to the Secretary of State. What would you like to do, ma'am?
I barely can hear you. Only thing I've mainly heard when you saying something about me paying $120 and speaking to somebody named Barry.
I can barely hear you. Turn your video on, ma'am, please.
I do have it on. I just can't hear, but really. I have it as loud as it can go.
I can't hear you or I can't see you. I need to do both. All right.
Hear me now?
What are you saying, Miss Love?
No, I said I don't think I heard barely was mainly the paying at 120 and speaking to somebody named Barry.
Is it my device or is it her device? Am I not coming through clear?
Your Honor, for the record, she's very muffled.
She is.
Miss Love,
I don't know how I don't know what you're using to talk on this device, ma'am. You need to sit still, please, and you need to put your face on the camera.
And make sure you're not covering the microphone as you're holding your device.
It's not covered. It's a new tablet, just don't know how to work this one.
Is a new tablet or something?
Yes, it's a new tablet, but I tried to do it on my phone, but it would not go through on my phone.
Okay, so can you hear me now?
I can hear you better.
Okay, so your offer is gonna be pleading to the expired plate, $145, and the defective equipment, $120. And we'll dismiss the rest of the counts. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak with the attorney in the breakout room if you choose to. What would you like to do, ma'am? Both of those tickets are just civil infractions. They won't abstract and they won't carry, therefore they won't carry any points.
Okay, I'll make the payment. Is it if I can make a payment arrangement?
Payment arrangement, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I'll take it.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket counselor on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, 120 plus 145, that's 265. When can you pay, ma'am?
Well, I just started a new job, so I won't be able to pay nothing until starting next month.
You say you need a month?
Yes,
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days till June the 1st to pay it, okay?
okay,
Pay it before June the 1st, and then we'll close the matters out.
would I get something in the mail?
No, you probably won't get anything in the mail. You can pay it at any DivDak kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person, okay? All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Morning. You're free to leave, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Melissa Renee LaFramboise, case number SP 141195331. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, I'm sorry. Melissa LaFramboise.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name again.
Melissa LaFramboise.
LaFramboise, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss the ticket for providing valid documentation, all right?
Okay, yeah, that's, yeah.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So, thank you.
Griffin, Natia Griffin.
It's Natia.
Natia, I'm sorry, I'm getting them all wrong today, huh?
Sir, you may have had made her seem to be perfect collateral. Did you have a date tonight at 10:30 for an exam?
Where's
Okay.
I'm about to come. I'm about to come.
where's that coming from?
Out of here.
Wow.
For real. Wow.
Jane Boyle.
Wow.
Crazy. TT.
Wow, that's crazy.
That niggas just joined the live.
Wow.
Call the Detroit police, please.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. The wrong break room this time.
Everyone, can you please mute your devices?
All right, let's get back. Taya Griffin. I think we have an assigned officer for the court. All right, Ms. Griffin, do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes,
When Mrs. Griffin's driver's license?
I have a temporary operator's license. It's coming in the
All
mail.
right, hold on a second. Let's just look it up. City of Detroit versus Natea Griffin, case number SP 127-13621, SP 131-8832, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Griffin. State your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Natea Griffin.
Day is the date and time set for pre-trial in the matter. I'm gonna look the license up, ma'am, and we'll see. Who is Paul? Wait a minute. Okay. Paul Wilk, okay, good. Counselor on behalf of Counselor Wilk, who is your client?
Yeah, good morning, Judge. My client is John Lambrecht.
Thank you so much. Another issue is. The other issue is
Yeah, contact, don't ask them, just do it. Contact, please.
all right. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 He said he turned it off for us, but he said it was back home.
Okay, Ms. Griffin's driver's license. All right, Ms. Griffin, your license is valid. I'm going to offer you a blocking traffic $175 for the speeding ticket. That's a one-time deal. We'll dismiss the other two matters now. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I can let you speak with the.
Okay, thank you.
I can let you speak with the attorney if you need to. What would you like to do, Ms. Griffin?
I would like to pay the ticket.
All right. When you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket has an accurate factual basis for the response to the plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters?
No.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
He doesn't. He didn't accept it. No, it was.
Okay, with that stipulation, I find you responsible for the then count of block traffic. Ms. Griffin, when can you pay the 175?
Okay.
When can you pay it now?
Oh, I can pay it now or soon.
All right, let's make sure that you got blocking traffic. Give Ms. Mathis a minute to get it into the system. I'm gonna put it in there for the end of the week.
Okay.
Let's just say next week. Let's just say next Monday at the latest.
Okay, next Monday.
Pay it, and then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that after your phone, or come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it now. All right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Just wait till it says blocking traffic, $175.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus John William Lambert. Case number B50151322. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paul Wilk on behalf of John Lambert.
Is John Lambert here?
He is not here. I'm just appearing on behalf of him this morning.
All right, so you said you make a motion to waive his presence, Counselor?
Yeah, Judge, I'd just like to waive my client's presence. This is a ticket that we think should be resolved shortly. We've been working with the city's attorney, so he asked that I appear on his behalf and let you know that. I'm not sure if the city attorney's here, if I could talk to her. We've sent her all the information. It was about a permit for opening
You
day.
have a valid license at this time?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Does he have a valid food license at this time?
Yeah, so that he has the proper licensing. The ticket given was for an opening day party in the parking lot, and this is Bookies, and they've had the same permit every year. I'm not sure why this ticket was issued, and I sent the information to Miss Schneider, who is the city attorney, I believe, is handling this a few weeks ago.
I'll pass the matter until Ms. Schneider gets here. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
No problem. Now, what about, we're gonna wait on Christina Gorey and Juan Lomelli. We're gonna wait on them as well. I need the Lomelli and the Christina Gorey. Well, you want to speak with the city attorney? I'll give you the opportunity to.
Thanks, Your Honor.
I'm gonna let this iPhone 3 in, Ms. Williams Law. Can you make sure that you have your removed thing ready? If there's any.
Yes,
You don't have-
Let me check something.
All right, let's just go, lose mine. You know how to do that, just iPhone, on the iPhone 3, can you unmute yourself, turn your camera on, state your name, please?
Can you hear me?
Yes, what's your name?
Yes,
ma'am?
I think he's waiting for us. Andrea Gordon.
Say that again.
Andrea Gordon.
Gordon, good morning to you, Mr. Gordon.
Good morning.
Is Shantia? No, not Shantia. I'm a little short, Shantia, the officer. Yes, is she in there?
Okay, she's set for trial, so we're gonna
She's
give
supposed
the
to be our
officers a
officer.
half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to show up. They don't show, we'll get you out of here. If you show up, then we'll get you in a breakout room with your attorney.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, are you able to send me a docket for today? When you get an opportunity.
Okay, I sure will.
Thank
And
you.
good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
What about Guzman? Guzman here? They fall off. All right, let's move on to Alfonso Green then. Is Alfonso Green here?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Yours is set for trial as well, Alfonso Dante Green. So again, you're going to be waiting till we get an offer for you. If the officers don't show, we'll get you out of here. If the officers do show, we'll get you in a breakout room to speak with attorney about the offer that they present to you. All right.
Okay.
Good morning, Officer Bill.
Good morning, Judge.
Sasha Grant. City of Detroit versus Sasha Quinn Grant, case number 207-131-661. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Grant. Please state your name for the record.
Where's Ms. Grant? Can you unmute yourself, please, ma'am? Shay Grant?
Get back. Get back. Somebody, get your ass in the room.
All right, good morning, Ms. Grant. Can you state your name, please?
Sasha Grant?
Do you have a valid driver's license now?
No, I have the permit. They won't waive the 30 days.
All right, let's run our license, please. All right. My key here.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
All right, driver's license is valid. I'm going to dismiss the ticket by valid documentation. Nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day.
I have a question.
Hold on a second. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. All right. What is your question?
I got court for August for the exact same thing. They sent me another notice out for August.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. I think it's gonna be closed out. Same case number.
Yes, I believe so.
Yeah, it'll be closed out. You don't have to hear it. The same case number. I didn't see anything else but this in the system for you, all right? So you're just closed out, ma'am. So disregard that. That's the same case number.
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Denzel Bradford, case number SP 122-4598, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Elwood S.
Chair,
Berry Jr.
Chair, I could- okay.
On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
Denzel Bradford.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
In or not guilty, pleading your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Bradford, you live in the state of Michigan, sir?
Yes.
You need to change your address down here with the 36th District Court.
I have changed it. I got my new license. It's on my new license and everything.
You have a valid license, sir?
Yes.
You have valid registration and insurance. You have valid insurance as well?
Yes.
Let's see the insurance document. Please run his driver's license, Mr. Matthews.
What's his name?
Bradford Denzel. All right, let's go put a pause on that, Ms. Mathis. The gentleman with the Samsung device cannot hear me. He's next up, but I sent him a message in the chat, but he's not responding. Okay, so we're gonna have to go to the next one. Okay, let me see, showing me some documentation. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna dismiss the matter anyway, because you paid a related civil infraction.
You still want Bradford? What is it? Bradford?
Yeah, you printed it already. Let me ask, counsel, when you're in that waiting room, can you speak to the other people or not?
You can't necessarily speak to other people in the waiting room. The host can send a message to those in the waiting room, but I do not believe you can speak to other people.
All right, so it's no way that we can find out who's in there and who's not.
You could send them a message and ask them to rename themselves.
They provide case numbers if they have it.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss your case, Mr. Bradford. Now, did you print his license up?
There's no match. When I run a driver's license, I need to run his name.
All right. If you want us to change the address, we're gonna need another address. If you wanna come down and do it yourself, then you can do that.
Okay, I guess I'll do it. You said you guys can do it, or do you guys want me to do it?
Yeah, we can do it if you give me an address. Hold on, let's see if this license is good. Are you at the Hayden address?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna dismiss the matter. We'll change the address, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
All right, you too.
Clovis Ghaffari. Clovis Ghaffari.
Yes, sir. Wait,
Ghaffari there.
yes, I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Clovis Ghaffari, case number SP 140-66931, SP 140-6729, counts 1 and counts 2, U63121-322. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ghaffari, please state your name.
Clovis Ghaffari.
Good morning to you, sir.
May 23rd, 8:30 a.m.
Okay, let me ask you this, Mr. Ghaffari, do you need some drug treatment, sir?
Oh, sir.
Oh, this is Mr. Bachman here for you.
Another court, he's gonna zoom in with.
Let's go, Mr. Bachman, good morning to you. We just called the case of Clovis Ghaffari.
I am sorry to be late. Harry Bachman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, let's call it. And then there's also two other civil infractions and one driving while license suspended as well. And this narcotic violation. I just asked your client whether he needed some drug treatment. He indicates to the court that he does not. I know this is an allegation, but there's only, if the allegation is true and he has an absolute right to a trial, but there would only be two reasons why I know somebody would have something like this in their possession, and not unless it just was left in the vehicle by someone else. But what do you want to do with these tickets, Counselor?
Judge, please and thank you. We asked for a waiver trial by way of Zoom. I would indicate that there is a genuine and material issue of fact, and I would also state that you're very intuitive as well, Your Honor. I think your intuition is right on.
Okay. I'm going to give you a trial date of 2020, July the 7th, 2023 on all the matters, all right? July 7th, 2023 on all the matters. If there's nothing further, Mr. Ghaffari, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All
Thank
right,
you kindly, Your Honor.
All
I
right,
know.
Thank you. All right.
She said for 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Gouch, I'm sorry, Gouch.
Is your client in the hall? Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning to you, Counselor.
Good morning, Mary. How are you? I think this is the first time I've seen you in person.
It's Miss Gouch.
Antoinette.
9:30? Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll go wait in the hall. Thank you.
All right. Antoinette Gouch.
Hello.
Why is it not coming up? Oh, I see why. This computer is just so sensitive. If you have one letter wrong or something like that, it's gonna not process.
This is she. Hi.
Hi, how are you, ma'am? City of
Hi, can you
Detroit.
hear me?
I can hear you very well. Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Antoinette Faye Gouch, case number SP 140-65121. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gouch. State your full name, Ms. Gouch.
You see, we're gonna have some issue with verbal things.
My name is Antoinette Faye Gouch.
Good morning, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid insurance? And if you do, can you show the court that, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I can. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm waiting on the proof.
I have a copy, a digital copy, but I do have my registration that's current. Is there any way I can?
I put my email address in the chat. I need proof of insurance, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I have a copy of that. It's in my wallet in my phone. I need to make a copy or some kind of way send it to you guys.
You can email it to me.
Okay. And the email. And where might I find the email address again, please?
Chat, ma'am. I'm gonna repopulate
In the
it
chat.
for you.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna repopulate
I'll do
it
that.
for
Okay. Thank you.
you. As soon as I get that, I'll recall the case and we'll get you out of here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I
got
glimpse of it.
And do we know who Officer Overton is here for?
I saw a glimpse. Email.
Say that again, Ms. Williams-Law.
Just trying to identify if we know who Officer Overton is here for.
Officer Overton?
I'm here. Yes, ma'am.
Who are you here on?
Goodlow?
Goodlow.
Sorry, say it one more time.
Where are the breakout rooms? Okay. Let me start putting these officers in breakout room 1 so that when the city attorney does arrive, you can speak with the warrant out Corporal Latch. Officer Overton, good morning. Officer Bass, good morning. Officer Corporal Hill, good morning. What about any other officers here that I haven't recognized? Okay, let's go with Odom. Desant Odom. You there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit. This is Desant Patrick Patterson Odom, case number SP 141-0048. SP 141-00491. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Odom. State your full name, sir.
Dejon Patterson Odom.
Right. Your offer is going to be blocking traffic, amended count for the no insurance ticket.
I had insurance at the time, sir.
Pardon me?
I had insurance at the time, sir.
That's fine, but they indicate that you were speeding at the time too. So I'm giving you an opportunity to plead responsible to the speeding, the amended count of the speeding ticket to blocking traffic is a 0-point offense. It's $175. And no abstraction to the Secretary of State's like I call it an expensive parking ticket. You do have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do, Mr.?
I was underaware if I took the driving course that's it would be thrown out at that point.
No, I don't think the driving course is going to be thrown out. I don't remember. I don't remember ever giving you that opportunity. But typically, anyway, the driving course would further support me giving you a blocking traffic, right? I didn't even ask about the course. It is 11 to 15 over, and the city attorney typically goes to an abstractable ticket. But I'm going to go even further down than that. So $175, no points, no abstraction. You want the offer, or you want a trial date, or you want to speak with the lawyer?
I'll speak with the lawyer, please.
All right. Is this Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, join the room, please. Let's pass that matter. Love it. The next one, Andre Lovett. Is there Andre Lovett here?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
I got you, sir. City of Detroit versus Andre Lovett Jr. Are you the junior, sir?
Yes.
Case number SP 126-31901, SP 136-2258, counts 1, 2, and 3. $19,515,6331. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lovett, please state your name.
Andre Lovett.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Let's see here, what's going on with Mr. Lovett? Seems like this is probably a case I'm gonna allow. This is Schneider to give the offer on here. I don't know what she would do. An accident ticket, no driver's license, unregistered, untitled, improper plates, and an old driver's license suspended. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. I'm gonna wait. Either you can take the trial date right now and come on back and we can resolve it on that date, or you can wait on an offer. What would you like to do?
You said wait on the officer?
No, offer from the officer won't be here unless you set it for trial. You wait on an offer from the city attorney.
Yeah, I'll wait on the offer.
All right, let's pass that matter until we get the city attorney in here. I know we have a couple waiting for the city attorney.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm messaging to the waiting room, identifying.
I'm sorry, I've already let that person in. That person was in here before, I believe, and could not, so keep your hand on the, you see what I mean by, you can hit remove, and it will, you can just have remove ready. See, that person is sitting there.
Highlighted.
Yeah, he never connected to audio. So he apparently doesn't know how to connect to audio.
I see.
We're passing Lovett for an offer. Is Godbot here? And who else?
Ready on Mr. Odom, Your Honor.
Thanks, Lamb. He's just testing. I have the results.
How were the results? Where's Lamb?
I'm Mr. Frederick Lamb, Your Honor.
Right here, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Let's okay. Counselor, are you on Lamb? Yes, I see. All right, let's get Odom out of here. Where's Odom? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Odom. Mr. Odom, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. What would you like to do, sir?
Take the trial first.
Bench trial, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial date of July the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. The best of luck to you.
Thank you.
I can come back if Mr. Guy vote.
We'll take Frederick Lamb now.
Oh, I don't think I need to appear on the record. I just want to give you the results. And then if I get it to,
Very well, thank you.
but I'll come back.
You're more than welcome anytime. You don't need an invitation.
Thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Frederick Lamb, case number SP 1413528. SP 141-36521 and C8088871. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Mr. Frederick Lamb, who is present via Zoom. For the record, we do consent to this hearing being conducted via Zoom. Mr. Lamb, can you please state your full name for the record?
Frederick Lamb.
All right. Good morning, Counselor, and good morning to you, Mr. Lamb.
Morning, Your Honor.
Why are we here? What was going on?
Your Honor, today, per my records, is the date and time set for a pretrial. Within the last week, I received the discovery on Mr. Lamb's case and would like the opportunity to provide the prosecution with the deviation letter. So at this time, I would request an additional pretrial date, Your Honor.
And how long do you need?
Approximately a week, if that's okay, Your Honor.
You sure? I'm gonna give you 2 weeks at least. Let's give you May 22nd.
May 22nd.
May 22nd, 2023. I do have all negative test results for your client, so congratulations on that. But we're going to address the no ops ticket and the U-turn as well, or are you just here for the high BAC case?
So I have been assigned to the high BAC case, Your Honor. However, I'm happy to resolve his other civil infraction matters or other ticket matters as well. So I can address all three, Your Honor, at that time.
Very well. Let's come back on May the 22nd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I appreciate the court's time.
Thank you. All right, let's move on to sorry over there. All right, I need some water. Yes.
Oh, okay.
City of Detroit versus Blake Gatson, case number SP 137-33521. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gatson. State your full name, sir.
Blake Gasson.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. This is a consuming alcohol in public. He can plead as charged. I'll dismiss the case upon payment of $240, or he can have a trial date. What would you like to do, sir? Or you can speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout.
I'd rather take it to trial.
Okay, very well. Trial date is going to be July the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I think we have about 4 trials already on that one. Say 4. So if you got that date, sir, come on back. We'll see if we can get some resolution on that date, all right?
Okay,
July
thank
the 7th, 2023, 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Keita Gardner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we got the city attorney. I didn't see Miss Schneider snuck in on me, so I have some lawyers here. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them.
Before we go, Your Honor, could I ask Madam Clerk to send me a copy of the docket?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good morning to you. And then I can put you in a breakout room with the officers that are here as well. You may not need to go. Lock.
Ready, Your Honor.
Did your officer ever show?
No, I don't believe it, it was Officer Williams.
Williams?
Yes.
Yeah, he's in there. What do you have, Counsel?
I have Cortez Lawrence. The officers aren't here and it's 9:30.
Is Lawrence here?
He is. He's in the hallway.
And who's the officer?
I don't know.
Oh, how do you know they're not here then?
I don't see any officers.
Oh, that doesn't mean they're not here. I was like, hey, where's Cortez? Okay, I have it.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can I have that breakout room again? This is Sean O'Meara on behalf of Ryan Locke.
Schultz is here. Officer is here.
He is here?
Yes. He's here.
Is he on Zoom or he's in
on
person?
Zoom. Go ahead and join the
We
Zoom.
wanted everybody in person. I mean, we're here in person.
I mean, we can make it come in person if you want.
I mean, I thought that's what we asked and that's why we're here at the time that we had the last hearing.
Speak to, go on Zoom, speak to Schneider, the city attorney, and address them.
All right.
We'll see what happens. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Because we did request in person, and that means not just us in person. I mean, the reason we don't want to have to drive down here, the reason we're here is we wanted the officer to have to show up.
Was
in
this
person.
Cortez Lawrence? I don't recall that. I didn't write it on there, but
We requested.
I'm accepting that as, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I always request that.
Go ahead and speak with her about it and let her know.
Okay.
Mr. Lawrence.
So I'll get on Zoom and you'll put me
And I'm
in a
gonna put you in a
breakout room?
breakout room with the
Okay.
lawyer, with the
Because, I mean,
city attorney.
that's why we're here. I had something in Sterling.
But he's not here, is he?
My client, yeah.
He's out in the
We're both
hallway?
here, yeah.
All right, well, we'll address it. Go ahead and speak to her about it.
All right.
Gardner, is Gardner here? Okay. Where's Gardner?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, do you have a valid license, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, run Mrs. Gardner's license. What about valid insurance?
I do, Your Honor. I only have a digital copy, but I can go ahead and email it to you.
Let me, you have my email address in the chat, correct?
Yes.
Jonathan Enrique Menendez, do you need an interpreter, sir?
Yes.
Necesito interpreter?
Sí.
Let's get an interpreter in here, please, Spanish speaking. City of Detroit versus Shakita Renee Gardner. Case number SP 1375190, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Shakita Renee Gardner.
There's the date time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Menendez. Now there I recognize you, Council. Let's get you in the breakout. Now I don't see you. There you go.
We need this manager.
All right, now. All right, I'm waiting on Gardner's insurance documentation.
I emailed it to you.
You did?
Yes, sir.
I'm starting to get everyone else's. All right, let's pass that matter. Is Gooch there still? Gouch? All right, I think Gouch is gone. All right. That wasn't Gouch's file.
It is.
All right, I have, let's go back on the record with Gardner. I have a valid driver's license. Here's Gouch. Here's the. Let's go back. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Gouch. Gouch, I got your driver's, your insurance. So at this time, I am going to dismiss the matter, ma'am. All right.
Hi, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Have a very good day. The best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I apologize. This is Sean O'Mara. I have a hearing that's going to run. It's actually in person. I'm running a little late already on Ryan Locke.
Good lawyer.
Yes.
So what's going to happen?
Well, I mean, I hope nothing. It's just a pre-trial in person at a court that's 40th district. I'm hoping I could. We're ready on Locke. The officer is not here.
That's what I thought the officer was here.
No, he never appeared.
Okay, I was waiting on you to tell me that. All right, well, let's go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
City of Detroit versus, well, the officer is here on lock. I told you that. The officer is here.
Yeah, I just went to the breakout room with the city attorney. They said they're not.
Yeah, well, she hasn't spoken with him yet. I'm gonna put you, go join the breakout room, counselor. I'm gonna put the officer in the breakout room, rejoin it with the attorney.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Your Honor, I've messaged that iPhone in the waiting room.
Okay, very well, thank you.
Judge, this is Paul Welcome.
Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna get you lawyers out of here, the retained lawyers out of here in 1 second. All right, I'll pass the matter for Gardner until I see some valid insurance. I do have a valid license. When I get that email, ma'am, I'll recall the case.
Okay, thank you.
Now, who's, Lomelli and Gore?
And Gore, yes, Your Honor, we're ready to proceed at this point.
What's gonna go on with them?
We need to set this for both cases for a bench trial.
All right. City of Detroit versus Christina Marie Gorey, case number 223557361, and Juan Geraldo Lomelli, case number 223557391. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Christopher Smith, P number 83547. I'm standing in on behalf of Gary Gennady on behalf of Christina Gorey, and I represent Juan Lomelli.
Okay, Mr. Lomelli, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It's Juan Gerardo Lomelli.
And good morning to you and Mrs. Gorey. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Christina Marie Gorey.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. We'll give both of you trial dates for July the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, tell Mr. Gennady I said long time no see. And tell him to stop in sometime.
Yes, he spoke very kindly of you when he told me to stand in for him this morning.
All right.
All right, have a good one.
You too, Lawrence. You
Yes.
gotta work out. Are they coming in?
No, we're not worked out. She said, take it up with the judge that I have to bring a motion.
All right, City of Detroit versus who was that? Lawrence?
Cortez Lawrence.
Cortez Maurice Lawrence. Good morning, Mr. Lawrence.
How you doing?
Case number SP 137-2335, counts 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P 80322.
Good morning, Your Honor. Deborah Schlossel, P56420, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Cortez Lawrence, who's calling me from the state.
Cortez Maurice Lawrence.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Lawrence, the Council Schlossel. Sergeant Schultz, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Sergeant Schultz, badge S252.
All right, very good. Today is the date and time set for a trial today. Off the record, Council Schlossel indicated to the court that the last time she was here, she wanted an in-person trial. Go ahead.
Your Honor.
Put it on the record.
All right, Your Honor, last time I was here, I spoke with the city attorney at that time, which is not the one that is on this hearing at this
Correct.
time. We spoke in the breakout room. I told her, at first we were going to work out a deal, and then I said, what if we hold it for trial? Let's see if the officer shows up. would you still do a deal then? And I said, and we would do it in person, and she said, yes. So,
Let me stop you. You said a pre-trial?
no, a trial.
Okay, a trial.
Yes, a trial. And we did set it for trial in person, which is why my client and I are here. And neither the prosecutor nor the police officer are here. And so, Your Honor, since we asked for an in-person trial, I move, Your Honor, that you dismiss this matter. Because the witness is not here.
All right. Go ahead, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sister counsel did share that fact with me in the breakout room. As she stated, I was not the prior assigned prosecutor. I did tell sister counsel, I'm not aware there being any written orders signed by this court for this matter to be in person. I was not informed anyone had requested an in-person trial. I object to a dismissal. I don't believe she's met the legal standard. I'm present in the courtroom, in the courthouse, and present on Zoom. Sergeant Schultz is present on Zoom as is required by this courtroom due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It doesn't rise to the level of a dismissal, Your Honor. I have no objection to an adjournment, and now that I'm present, I will submit a written order for this matter to be in person so that sister counsel can talk to the officer, but I think a dismissal is premature.
And Sergeant Schultz, how long will it take you to get down here?
Get down there today?
Yes.
Hour or so.
Pardon me?
Like an hour or so.
An hour? All right. Do you want to wait on him?
No.
Okay. So I'm going to deny your motion to dismiss, and for the reason that first of all, not questioning your not questioning you at all, Counselor. I do believe that you said it, I didn't write it here, but for the fact that that was another city attorney within that time, that city attorney has left our courtroom and still in the courthouse and has gone to another courtroom. Ms. Schneider wasn't here for that agreement, and routinely we do have a trial by Zoom. I can understand you and your clients wanting the officer to be here because you want to be able to in-person cross-examine if necessary and things like that. And I know the importance of that. So what I will do is I will this time grant one time adjournment to reschedule for those reasons.
Your Honor, with all due respect, I mean, we both drove here, we waited a half an hour, we were told the officer wasn't here yet, and we needed to wait the half an hour until 9:30. So we sat out in the hallway, we both paid the $10 to park, we both came here, and I have something at 9 a.m. in Sterling Heights that I'm gonna go to, that I told them I'd be late because we were doing an in-person hearing, and Your Honor, I think this is unfair to my client and myself, and it's an undue burden for us to have to come back when we specifically said in person, and we're here in person. And you heard us on the record at that time.
Well, I can't recall whether, and I'm not questioning that I did not hear. You know, all I'm saying is as I do understand the burden of coming down and things like that, but the fact of the matter is, I have to be fair to both sides. I don't know why that communication, I typically write that on my information right here. And again, I'm not saying that you didn't say that, and that's not what was agreed upon. I just don't have that written down. And I'm not sure why that wasn't communicated to the city attorney. But at this time, I don't think that the burden is too heavy to bear. You know, I think that what I can do is I can have order Sergeant Schultz to come down to the courthouse. He said he'll be here within an hour. I'll give you an opportunity to go to your other hearing, come back, or you can set another trial date and make sure that this is in person this time.
Your Honor, I guess then I would get back on Zoom and speak in a breakout room with the prosecutor, and maybe we can resolve this today. But typically 9:30 is your cutoff time, and he isn't here.
Well, he is here, Counselor, he's here via Zoom. We've been in this stage for years now, ever since I've gotten on the bench, which is 2 years ago. So this is not anything new about this. I mean, it's an open alcohol in a motor vehicle driving. In a no insurance case. It's, go ahead.
Your Honor.
It's it stopped for involvement in a shooting, observed an open 75 milliliter bottle of Tito's lock on the floor in front of the passenger seat. I don't court size it's kind of a high burden anyway, but for the people in need. But I'll let you join the breakout room.
All right.
I'll let you join the breakout room and work it out if you can. If you can't, I'm be happy to give you another trial date. But that's the rule.
Okay.
All right. All right, let's move on. Who else do we have that's sitting here retained?
Brian Locke. We have it worked out on Mr. Locke.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Ryan Pierce Locke, case number SP 143836061. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sean O'Mara on behalf of Mr. Locke. Mr. Locke, can you say your name for the record?
Good morning, Corporal Lamont Williams, Badge 4198, City Detroit Police.
Good morning, Ryan Pierce Locke here.
All right, good morning to Corporal Williams and good morning to Mr. Locke. Go ahead, Counselor. What's the deal?
Your Honor, my client will be responsible to added blockading, impeding. I've advised him that that's a civil infraction, non-abstractable. He just needs to pay if possible. So the original ticket would be amended to a blockade.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Locke?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to find you responsible. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
Your Honor, yes.
I'm going to find you client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Locke?
Now.
Okay.
I'm going to just put in there next week just to make sure it gets there properly. Wait until we put that in the system as a blocking traffic. Pay it when you see the 175 blocking traffic. And you have to pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the City of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can instruct you to pay that. All right. So if there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good day. You and your client, Corporal Williams, you have a very good day as well. Make sure you be safe out there. That'll conclude the matter.
Appreciate
Thank you,
it.
sir. You too.
Have a
Thank
great
you very
day.
much.
Very well.
My turn yet?
All right, there you go on that Samsung device. What's your name, sir?
Gregory Lester.
Gregory Lester.
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you.
How you doing?
All right. Is there any other retained counsels here?
Judge, I'm here on the Lambert matter.
Lambert?
Yeah, this is Paul Wilk.
What's gonna go on with that?
We're just gonna request a trial date. I spoke to Ms. Schneider and she agreed and we're gonna work it out.
Lambert. So we need to go back on the record with John Lambert. Is that John Lambert?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lambert. Giving you an opportunity, you want to set a trial date, Counselor?
Yes, Judge, I spoke to the city attorney and we agreed to set a trial date and work it out in the meantime.
All right, trial date is gonna be 9 a.m. July the 10th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thanks, you too.
All right, another counselor.
Morning, Your Honor. Mark Gazdecki, ready on Ali
How you
Obey.
doing, Mr. Gazdecki? Who are you here on? Ali Obey?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this trial two?
Oh, this was a pretrial. I've had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney and we've resolved this matter. We will be pleading responsible to improper plate.
Obey here.
Yes, he's right there, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ali Nabil Obey, case number SP 1328742, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Mark Gazdecki, P46289 on behalf of Mr. Ali Obey.
All right, Mr. Obey, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Ali Obeid.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. All I need you to do, Mr. Gazdecki, is to go in the breakout room, read the advice or rights to your client, make sure he understands those, and then we'll come out and we'll take the plea, okay?
Good, thank you.
What device are you on, Mr. Gazdecki? Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
My turn. Oh. Is it me now?
Not yet. Hold on a second.
All right.
Okay, who else? Any other routine matters? Okay, who do you have, counselor?
Lockett.
Arthur Lockett?
Tabreen Lockett, Your Honor.
Tabreen Lockett. All right, now what is he gonna do?
Well, I haven't seen the officer check in, but I've been told maybe actually now.
Hill is here.
I'm in for Attorney Ryan. I'm standing in for Attorney Ryan Hill. That's the attorney. The officer is Michael Quaranta.
Okay, I have it. Oh, you're Ryan Hill. Okay, very well. All right. This is Mr. Lockett. Lockett is here as well. I saw him. This city of Detroit versus Tabreen Jaquise Lockett, case number SP 1316579, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Clay Miller standing in for Attorney Ryan Hill, representing Tabreen Lockett, the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Tabreen Jacqueline Lockett.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today, date and time set for a trial date. Do they have an officer, Quaranta? Hearing no response and have not seen that officer join the breakout room. Go ahead, counselor.
For the complaining witnesses failure to appear, Your Honor, we would like to make a motion for this court to dismiss the matters today.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the matter. No officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right.
Thank you, Attorney Schneider. Have a good day.
All right. All right. Back. Are you back, Mr. Gazdecki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Who was that client again?
Ali.
let's go back on the record with Ali Obeid, Mr. Obeid. If you want to take this deal in proper place, that's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It is a misdemeanor, but I will dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Gazdecki went over some of the other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Mr. Obeid?
What was that?
Mr. Gazdecki went over some of the other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any question about those rights?
No.
Do you have any question about those rights, sir?
No questions, no.
All right, is anybody off? You know you're going to be giving up those rights when you take this plea?
Yes, I do.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me take you back to March 17, 2022 at around 3:59 p.m. City of Detroit on the 80, the Stand Street in Casino Way, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Belle, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department, sir?
No, I was trying to buy the car and
No, he's saying, did the police stop you and give you a ticket?
Yes, yep.
It was the police, Detroit police officers?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead, he can understand you better than me. Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir? Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you have proper registration at the time for the vehicle you were operating?
No,
I didn't.
No. And how about, did you have insurance for the vehicle you were operating at the time?
Yes, I did.
Okay. We're satisfied, Your Honor.
We got some interference from another. I know, we got some interference from somebody that called in on the phone. I muted them. Did you have valid insurance for this vehicle, sir?
No.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates, $240 fine, total amount dismissed upon payment. Dismiss the other matter now. When can you pay the $240, please?
This week.
All right, I'm going to give you until next Monday to have that paid. Come on back for a review on the Monday morning at 8:25. Make sure it's paid so that we can close the matter out properly. We'll dismiss the case upon payment of $240. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it on total. You can upload that DivDat app to your phone. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Your Honor, did you want us to appear next Monday, or you're just going to look to see if my client paid?
Well, if he hasn't paid, then he needs to be here to tell us why.
Okay.
But if he's paid, he doesn't need to appear. We'll close
Excellent.
it up.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day.
You have a better one. All right. All right. I'll tell your client have a very good day as well.
You too. Thank you, Josh.
All right. Mr. Lester Gregory.
Yes.
All right. This is Lockheed here, Arthur Lockheed here as well? Where's Lester Gregory's file and the review? No? All right, let's go call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory DeMario Lester, case number SP 124-69353. Let's see these other cases here. Today is a date and time set for a review in the matter. Mr. Gregory, can you state your name for the record, please?
Gregory Lester.
Mr. Lester, I'm sorry. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this matter out that you pled to, because it seems like you paid the fine on that.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
All right. Let's also call this one's a warrant out. What is your birthday, sir? Must be another. You're not 1990, right?
No, that's my son. That's Gregory DeMario Lester Jr.
All right. It doesn't have.
I'm a senior. I was born in '69.
I see. I figured that. Yeah. Not to say you're old or anything, so I just figured
right.
Born 90.
Yeah.
So this other case, SP 12469-353. We're gonna SP 12469-353. We're gonna close out pay. You owe the court some more money on 3 cases, a seatbelt ticket. We'll dismiss that seatbelt ticket. That should have been dismissed. SP 1469352. We'll dismiss that. You owe 462 and 402 on 2 older cases, sir, that you already pled to. If there's nothing further, I can put that in the system. If you want to, a pay by date if you need to, but if not, you can pay it on your own. All right.
Yeah, I can pay that. Yeah.
All right. So if nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Let's get Ms. Bumpus back in here for Godbot. I think Godbot showed up. So let's get Ms. Bumpus back in here for Mr. Godbot. Good morning to you, Ms. Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
All right. Very well. Great to see you. I can say I uploaded this Duolingo app to my phone. My wife has been trying to convince me to do it for a long time. She's got over 200 at least 50 days straight. So I did it once the other day, and then I messed up and didn't complete the last 2 days, so now I had to start over. So I did mine this morning. So I'm gonna be a lot better soon on this.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right.
Perfect.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, a CAO qualified Spanish interpreter.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. You have Mr. Jimenez. Jonathan.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I have it.
Let me get his file. City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Jonathan Menendez Jimenez, case number SP 142604441. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jonathan Enrique Méndez Jiménez, número de caso SP 142-60-441. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta. Señor, diga su nombre.
Jonathan Enrique Méndez Jiménez.
Jonathan Enrique Méndez Jiménez.
Sharika Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Y Sharika Harris representando al acusado.
I ask for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
¿Cómo desea proseguir, abogada, con respecto a la lectura de cargos?
My client stands mute, Your Honor.
Mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio, su señoría.
There are not guilty plea, and your clients can give your client a $0 bond. I'll ask Mrs. Schneider, you put your appearance on the record as well. Mr. Jimenez has paid a related civil infraction. Do you object to a dismissal of the other matter?
Mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio. Está bien, nosotros le vamos a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y vamos a poner una fianza de $0. Señor Schneider, por favor, puede usted decir si usted objeta a que los otros cargos sean desestimados cuando usted informe que ya ha sido pagado.
Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322, no objection.
Alexa Schneider representando a la Fiscalía número 80322, no tengo objeción.
All right, we're going to dismiss the case. He paid an accompanying disregard and a red signal. So we're going to dismiss the case for paying a related civil infraction.
Yo voy entonces a desestimar el caso por haber pagado la infracción civil de la luz roja.
That's going to put 3 points on his driver's license.
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor. Sorry.
That'll put 3 points on his driver's license if he has one.
Y si él tiene licencia de conducir, estos serían 3 puntos en su licencia de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Case closed. I'm going to waive the warrant fee.
Ok, señor, entonces si no tiene más nada que agregar, te puede retirar, porque tenga buenos días, buena suerte. El caso ha sido desestimado.
Ok, gracias. Muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you very much.
Very well.
Ya se puede desconectar, señor. Y tiene el micrófono abierto.
Ok, gracias.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, will I see you on Wednesday or no?
Yes, you will.
Very good. Looking forward to it. Have a very good day. I'll see you
You too,
Wednesday.
Your Honor. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Have a good day, everybody.
All right, let's go with, this is the city of Detroit versus Tarcell Lynn, case number SP 139-1489, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 139-19531. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. James Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Tarcell Lynn.
All right, today is, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I do have Counselor Steve. I do have valid insurance on the Chevy Avalanche. He sent me a picture of a valid, well, I don't know whether it's valid or not, but he sent me a picture of a driver's license. We're going to check that. I do not know if he has proper registration on the vehicle. Do you have proper registration, sir?
No, I don't have it on my person.
Are you able to get that registration, sir?
Yes, I just have to make a call to my mother, see where it is.
Let's see what this, got the insurance. Check the driver's license. All right, well, we'll just do this. If the driver's license is good, which it is, very, very clean, no issue with the driver's license whatsoever, we're gonna offer you a blocking traffic for this failure to stop, okay? $175. We'll dismiss all other matters. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. And you can speak with counsel in the breakout room if you choose to. What would you like to do? That blocking traffic does not abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it does not carry any points, like I call it the expensive parking ticket.
Okay.
What would you like to do, sir?
I would like to pay it.
Very well. On behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, amended count of blocking traffic, I'm gonna find you responsible for 175. When can you pay, Mr. Lynn?
I can pay by Friday morning.
Let me give them until Monday morning to pay it. If you haven't paid it, we need to see you, sir. If not, if you have paid it, we'll close the matter out. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I know to tell you how to pay it. Further, Mr. Lynn, have a very good day.
You
Best
too.
of luck to you. All right.
You as well.
Thanks. And this is the second time this happened. Mr. Anthony Grayson, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
You two paid a related civil infraction, did you not?
Yes, I did.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Grayson. Case number, what is driver's license, please? Case number SP 131-65021. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Anthony Grayson. Please state your name for the record.
Anthony Grayson.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, counselor. Go ahead.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, giving your client a $0 bond. I'm going to dismiss the matter for paying a related civil infraction. I just want to see if the driver's license. Driver's license is valid, no issues whatsoever. That's 2 in a row. It's nothing further, sir. Case closed out. We're going to waive the warrant fee. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney Schlussel, what's going to go on with Mr. Lawrence?
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I got called by another court that needed me to do a Zoom, and I just got off of that. So can I be in a break? Can I be in a breakout room with the prosecutor?
Certainly.
Thank you.
Joint room, please. Tamika Gar.
Yes.
You have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Tamika Gar, case number SP 137-15461. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gar, State your full name, Ms. Gar, for the record.
Tamika Gar.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Let's see what you have as far as insurance, Ms. Gar. Okay, step it back just a little bit. It's not in focus. I don't know, maybe step it up a little bit. I don't know. Looks like November 2020. What is that? Is that November 2022?
Correct. November 25, 2022. Yes.
All right, where's the valid insurance? That's not valid now, according to that document.
No, that's the effective date to the expiration date.
What is the effective date?
That was the effective date.
Where's
It's
the
not
expiration
expired.
date?
It's right next to it, May 25th, 2023.
Very well, I see that. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, Mr. Gar. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You do the same.
Thank you. What about Alfonso Green? Can we get an offer on Alfonso Green? I have one attorney, one officer here, Shabazz. Let's get Mr. Green, let's get his offer, and let's present it to him if there is one. And let's get him out of here. He's been waiting, and he was, I recognize this name, Goodman, Charles Goodman. I don't know who was on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. They seem to have changed their, either left the room or changed their name.
I think it was me, Your Honor. I'm iPhone 13.
I knew somebody was gonna jump up and say that. I'm gonna think.
Yes, Charles Goodman here.
All right, Mr. Goodman, you were supposed to have been here a while ago, the other day.
The 27th, I had another court date and I assumed that they both was at 1:30.
All right, we'll see. I don't think you paid either, sir. If I'm,
yes,
if
I
my
my
recollection is correct. Have you?
I completed my community service.
You okay? Let's get you got that to Miss Green.
The community service guy said he would take care of everything.
And who was that?
At the time. What was his name? He was at the Second Grace Church.
Okay, let's get Miss Green on the line for Mr. Goodman. I know. I'll wait till she's done on the phone. All right, Andrea Gordon, I don't see you at all in here. What's your middle name, ma'am?
Raquel, I checked in at 9. I checked in at 9. You told me to wait.
No, I'm looking you up.
You spelled my name wrong, Your Honor.
It was me, Your Honor. I didn't have the docket when I spelled her name.
Oh, I'm sorry. Audria?
Yes.
Oh, that's the, you were here. Okay, now, that's set for trial. I have Officer Hill was here. At least he was here. He's not here now. I don't know.
But I thought, Your Honor, was the one that was here William Hill or was it Darnell Hill?
That was Williams, Officer Williams. L. Williams. I don't know where this officer is or where this officer went. City of Detroit versus Audria Raquel Gordon, case number SP 140947771, U631-56322. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gordon, please state your name.
Audria Gordon.
Ms. Schneider, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P 80322.
All right, this is city of Detroit versus Bria Gordon. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I saw Officer Hill, but I don't have him here now.
It might have been a different Hill, Your Honor. I know an Officer Hill on Devontae Gregory was chatting me.
Okay, very well.
So I was getting confused between the Hills.
Your Honor, defense moves to dismiss. Complaining witness has failed to appear.
Okay. I do not have Officer D. Hill. That's who we're looking for. And then I don't know about the other civil infraction. It's no officer here on that. So we're going to dismiss the cases for no officer. All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gordon, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much. You as well.
All right. Green, we need an offer for Green. I know Shabazz is here. That's the only officer I see on Green. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Alfonso Green?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so this is going to be a failure to display, counselor, or what do you want to?
Yes, Your Honor, it failed to display.
City of
Dismiss the
Detroit
balance.
versus the City of Detroit versus Alfonso Dante Green. Case numbers SP 1060441, SP 17495-101, 18-321-707, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Alfonso Green.
Officer Shabazz, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Judicial Shabazz, 1194 Detroit Police Department.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. You heard the offer, counselor. I'm going to give you a breakout room. That's going to be a $240 fine. It's going to be a misdemeanor on his record. It's probably going to give him an additional suspension since he doesn't have a driver's license now, 30 days at the very least. On the other cases, is there Mark Robbins, Officer Robbins, and Erica Mortet, Ritas. Hearing no response, you want to make a motion on those cases, Counselor?
Defense moves to dismiss. Sorry about that.
No officer. Join the breakout room and talk to Mr. Green. See if he wants to take the deal, read him his advice or rights. And if you need some time to advocate more on his behalf, I'm gonna definitely give you that opportunity. Join the room, please.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on to
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry to interrupt before you started. Am I needed here any longer, or do you stay?
who's that? No, Officer Shabazz, I don't think you're needed. I'll let you, Madam Schneider. Do you need him any longer, Counselor?
I don't need him anymore, Your Honor.
All right, very well.
Thank you, sir.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too as well.
All right. So be safe out there.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
All right, Ms. Schlesinger.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's gonna go on, Mr. Lawrence?
So, Your Honor, do you want to call our case?
All right, let's go, did we already call it? I think we already, all right, today is, let's just call the case. We already called the case. It's back on the record with Mr. Lawrence Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, Deborah Schloss on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Lawrence, who is here in the hallway with me. Your Honor, we have spoken with the prosecutor, and we would like to adjourn this matter for another trial date. And Your Honor, I believe we may work this out prior to that.
All right. So, all right, now let's get it right this time. And then again, let me apologize to you and your client if there was an error on our part, and which it seems as though it is, because I accept your representation that you asked for it in person. Typically, I would write that on the file. I don't know why I didn't, but it doesn't appear that would have done any good anyway, because that wasn't communicated to Ms. Snyder. So let me do apologize. I do hate the fact that the client was here and ready to go. There's a need to come back now. With that being said, I'm going to see what you have. I have July the 10th.
That's the earliest, Your Honor?
Do you want to let's get an earlier date? 3 weeks out.
Will be the 22nd, right?
The 22nd of May.
Your Honor, I have a very tight morning that morning. Is it possible to do it?
I don't think we need the 2 week. I don't think we need the 2 week notice here. We have everybody here. We can stipulate to that. It's not as if where's Sergeant Schultz?
I'm here, sir.
It's not as if we need to wait on a notice to get there, correct? We can stipulate to everybody being present this time, and we're going to stipulate to it being in person if that's what your client's choosing is, Ms. Slusher.
Yes, Your Honor, let's do it in person. But Your Honor, can it be in an afternoon? Is that possible?
It is possible. Anything's possible.
Can we do the afternoon of the 23rd of May?
Well, do you have anything any sooner in the morning? I mean, we can have this done tomorrow if you want to, or what?
Your Honor, I need to write a deviation request letter to the prosecutor. That's my issue.
All right.
How about, Your Honor, the morning of the 19th?
In the morning of the 19th, I don't think I'll be here.
Okay. Could we do the afternoon of the 23rd then?
23rd, afternoon at 1:30. Well,
thank you.
Let's make it, say that again. Let's make it, let's kind of make it at 2:30. Let's make it at 2:30.
Okay.
Because we're going to get some of the, just have an afternoon. Let's make it at 2:30, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, it's gonna, now let's make it clear that everybody's gonna be here in person on that day.
Correct, unless we work it out ahead of time. In which case, the prosecutor and I will have an agreement.
Very well. All right, if there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day, and Sergeant Schlussel, you have a very good, Sergeant Schultz, you have a very good day, and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, sir. See you on the, what was it, 19th?
Thank you, Your Honor.
On the 23rd at 2:30.
23rd, 2:30. Beautiful.
I'm going to
Thank
send you a
sir.
subpoena today, Sergeant.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's get this green on the line from Mr. Good. He indicates that he's completed community service. Okay, let's move on to, I have a Tamika T-O-K-A. Is that person still here? I don't see Tamika. I have a Liggins. What about Liggins? Is Liggins still here?
Yes, I am.
All right, very well. Morning to you. Austin Liggins, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
I'll get you this. Sorry. Let's get Mr. Liggins out of here. City of Detroit versus Austin Gregory Liggins, case number SP 125-44121, SP 131-91741. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Liggins. State your full name, Mr. Liggins.
Austin Gregory Liggins.
Sorry about the mispronunciation of your name. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Did you do the driving course, sir?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. Where? Let me see. Liggins. Did you send it to me?
Correct, Your Honor.
Under what name?
It should be up under my name. I emailed it to you from my email.
All right. And what is your email address?
Liggins.austin91@gmail.com.
I don't have it. Liggons?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you resend that to me?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna do it right now.
I'll put my information in the chat or repopulate it. What about this is a 16 to 20 over. He indicates that he's taking the course. Let's take him at his word, counselor, and give him an offer until we get that verification. What's the offer going to be?
I'll do a limited access.
And a no registration ticket.
Sorry. Does he have registration, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am, or sir.
Yes,
I do have it.
I would do I'll do a 0-point limited access, Your Honor, 1 to 5 over.
All right. So let's get the information. I put the information in the chat. Let's see the registration, sir. I don't know if we need to see the registration. This is usually one anyway, right?
I was about to say I got to run outside to the vehicle and grab it.
All right, it'll be a 1-for-1. Limited access, 125. I'm gonna wait. That's 1 to 5 over. That's gonna abstract, sir, but it's doesn't carry any points. $125. It appears you paid $100 of this already.
Right. And I was kind of confused as to what was going on, so I was just going to pay it full and then I guess figure it out after that.
You're lucky you didn't, because you would have signed up for the 4 points on your license.
Happy. So I got.
Does this matter come to me as an appeal? No, it's hearing today.
Well, it was to my understanding that I guess if I didn't pay it, I could come before you, because I was trying to get a few of my points took off for my job at the time.
Okay. Very well. Just get us the course, send the course, and we'll pass the matter until I get the course. We'll amend the ticket to a limited access, and then you will give us another. We'll take that. What is that? The money that you have, we'll take 125 of that. All right.
Okay. So I copied and pasted your email address to compose a new email, and I just sent it off to you again, and through Gmail.
When it populates, sir, I'll recall the case. All right.
Copy.
All right. City of Detroit versus Tasha Cordette Lott, case number SP 959-821 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff
And what
Harris,
is
on
Barry
behalf of
Jr.?
Ms. Lott, please state your name.
Tasha Lott.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there Officer Moss, hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss. Complaining witness has failed to appear.
I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, order you to pay the 2 reinstatement fees of $45 a piece, Ms. Lott. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. The best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks.
This is Shauna's Lake. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Godfrey.
Yes, it's Shani.
All right, hold on, wait a minute. Let me get Godfrey out of here.
And we were ready on green as well.
Be ready on green. Godfrey. What about Gardner? Gardner, I never received any insurance, I don't think.
I emailed it to you 3 times, Your Honor.
Yeah, and it hasn't come to me not once.
I even copied your email address from the chat and put it directly in. Is it possible if it could have went to your spam folder?
Anything's possible. Let's see. Nothing in my spam at all.
Is it possible if I could speak with my lawyer, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
Is it possible if I could speak with my lawyer?
Of course you can. Who is the lawyer?
I am, Your Honor.
I thought that was me. Okay.
I think anyone is very capable of handling it. Join the breakout room, please.
Thank you so much.
City of Detroit versus Eric Terrell Godfrey, case number Z8086971. Appearance for the, state your name for the record, please, Mr. Godfrey.
Eric Godbot.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Ms. Bumpus, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the probation department.
Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. I see Mr. Godbot has paid his fines. What else? Let's get an update on what's going on with the rest of this.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Godbolt was placed on probation January 30th of this year. Since that time, he has paid his fines and costs in full. He's also completed alcohol highway safety education at eBay. That was on March the 4th of this year. He has the information to attend the driver improvement class. He hasn't attended, or at least we don't have proof to date of him completing that. As far as testing, he was ordered to test 2 times a month. He is testing as scheduled. However, he is testing positive for marijuana, Your Honor. He did report that he has a medical marijuana card, but we haven't received that.
Very well. What kind of driving class are we talking about? Is this something in my order?
Yes, Your Honor. It's the betterdrivers.com program.
You take the course, sir?
I had registered. I'm having a problem getting on that one. I'm trying to get my son to help me out with that one. I had they gave me the number to put in and everything, but when I go back on it, it's not really showing me how to get on there. I don't know. I can't figure that one out. I'm trying to get my son to help me with that.
What I'm going to do, hopefully you take the course in the future, sir. It's a very good course. You and your son probably take it together because I'm sure he's driving. It's ever since I started this job, I'll say this. I didn't realize how much that people need to have a driver refresher because, and I'm not saying you're one of them, Mr. Godbot, but I just can't believe how you see it on the road all day. And you don't know whether it's, people just committing infractions, driving in that far lane on the freeway, just doing, not passing, not knowing that that's just a passing lane and you need to get back over, and it's a ticketable offense. But just the rules and whether they take the course and they still, and they know the rules and they still just disregard them, that's another thing. But it seems like a lot of people just don't know the rules. So I don't like a lot of I think I'm not one to say that government doesn't need to regulate our lives, because they do. But I think that government needs to say that everybody needs to take a driver refresher course every 5 years at least. So take the course. I'm gonna close the matter out. So I'm satisfied with this completing everything except the prep for the course. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Appreciate you.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, good luck to you. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day, and the best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Thank you. You too. What about Arthur Lakeet? Is he here? All right. What's Ms. Gardner? Did you get that off your chest? What's going on?
Your Honor, I have the document in hand. She was able to get it to me, and it's clearly valid. USA Underwriters expires.
Let's go back record with. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gardner.
Yes.
I do have a valid license for your client, and I don't know why I wasn't able to get the documentation, but I'm going to accept the representation as an officer of the court by counsel. And he has the documents in hand, and you say that they're valid. So I'm going to dismiss the case, says, for providing valid documentation. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. Gardner.
Thank you. You as well.
Now, what about Ligon? We're waiting on his stuff as well. We're waiting on Mr. Goodman. I'm waiting on the Green to chime in. Let's go on back on the record with Mr. Alfonso Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what do you want to do? What does your client want to do with the failure to display?
I think he wants to speak to me again, but originally we discussed he was going to go and take his written test and come back with a valid license, but he wants to speak to me now. So sorry about that. Okay. We're not ready.
Rejoin the room then.
Thank you.
All right. He's in the room. On that telephone, can you press star? Miss Lake, I told you I would call you next. Let's call Miss Lake.
Yes.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, ma'am, please.
It's Shanice.
Shani?
Shanice.
Shanice.
Yes.
All right. You mind showing the world your face, ma'am?
Yes.
Or more importantly, showing me your face so I know who I'm speaking with. All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Shanice Shamika Lake. Case number is SP 1410546, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lake. State your full name, Ms. Lake.
Shani Shamika Lake.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Lake?
I have a permit. Gotta wait the 30 days.
Run her driver's license, please. If the license is valid, we'll offer you a one-time deal of blocking traffic. All right. And you'll pay, if you want to take the deal, it's gonna cost you $175. If the license is not valid, then I'm gonna let this Snyder deal with you. Let's pass the matter until we check that license. Laster. I think he was doing some work. Lisa. I'm gonna let this iPhone in, let's get ready, make sure we don't have any incidents, hopefully.
Oh, man.
On the iPhone, can you, okay, that's the gentleman. What's your name, sir?
Andre Levitt.
Andre. Say that again.
Andre Levitt.
Love it.
Yes.
I thought we called your case.
You had what I had to pay.
Okay, love it. Oh, here, let's go off the record with Lake. Well, let me finish up with Lake. Let's finish up with Lake. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lake. Miss Lake, I have a valid license. We'll offer that blocking traffic, $175, dismiss the other 2 counts. Absolute right to a trial. You can speak with counsel in the breakout room if you choose, okay? What would you like to do?
I'll pay the 175.
All right, stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, Miss Lake, I'm sorry, Miss Lake, amended count, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it?
I can pay next Thursday.
You got a date on there already, so next Thursday, I'm gonna give you until, let's just say 5/22, because we won't be here on the 5th, I won't be here on the 15th.
Okay.
I'll just say the 15th, because we're not gonna set it for review. 5/15/2023, pay it any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it on come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone now. If there's nothing further, if you have until May the 15th, that's next Thursday is 11th, May the 15th to have it paid, and as long as it's paid, we'll close it out, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record one more time, Mr. Alfonso Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do now?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that my client is respectfully requesting that the court would reset his matter for a pretrial. And if he could have a date possibly 30 to 45 days out so that he may take his written test and come back with a valid license. He was going out of town for work, which is why we're asking for that extensive amount of time.
Miss Schneider, do you oppose him getting his driver's license and coming back at another date?
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
I got you. Hold on a second. I believe Ms. Snyder stepped away. All right, so let's do this. We'll offer him an allowing pay the $240 fine if he comes back with a valid license, all right?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Harris.
Okay, Your Honor.
Offers allowing if you bring valid license.
Well, Your Honor, if he brings a valid license, there would be an option for dismissal. If he does not, will the offer be allowing?
No, the offer's gonna stay the FTD if he doesn't bring a valid license. We'll make sure of that. I'll let you talk to the city attorney on the other portion of it, since we couldn't get her. I'm gonna give him 30 days. Is that good enough?
Yes.
All right. June 1st, 2023, 8:30. Going to get license. All right, come back on June 1st with a valid license, sir. We'll see where it goes from there. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. City of Detroit versus Calvin Donnell. Leicester.
That's Leicester. That's Leicester, sir. I apologize.
Leicester. That's all right. Take your hat off, sir. And State of Michigan versus Calvin Donnell Leicester. Case number SP 1400710. Counts 1 and counts 2. SX 419-96561. Appearance for the record, please.
That's Calvin Leicester.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Leicester.
Today is the date time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Leicester, do you have valid registration and insurance for this vehicle?
No, sir. While I was trying to get insurance, I had found out that my license was suspended until the end of May.
All right, pay $145. Improper plates will dismiss for expired. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. You say I can pay $145?
No, Your Honor.
All right, pay $145 expired plates, and we'll dismiss the other 2 matters. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. $145, sir. Find you responsible for the as charged expired plates. When can you pay it?
Friday.
All right, I'm going to give them until 5/8/2023 to pay it. Pay it at any div that kiosk, City of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone. There's nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Travis Lampkin. Is Miss Green here?
No, I called her and I sent the email. I don't need
Mr. Travis Lampkin, or is that Travis Raymond Lampkin? I don't see his name on the docket.
Is he April?
He was supposed to be here 4/28/2023.
Oh, he's supposed to be here Friday.
Friday. All right, let's pass that matter. And then let's go to Ligons. Did Ligons have his stuff? He indicated that he was going to email me something. I haven't gotten that email yet. So let's go.
It says it's sent.
some reason I'm not getting these emails. I put my email address in the chat, right? I don't know. I'm gonna repopulate the email address, SEAN_PERKINS @36 district.org. That's two people that said they've sent something. Mr. Barry has gotten it. All right, I'll put it back in the chat screen. Take a shot of that. They're gone. They're gone. Gordon is gone. Audrea Gordon is gone. Tarcell Lynn is gone. Gibbs. Etasha Gibbs. Ms. Gibbs, are you there? Gibbs was here. Who's on the phone at 313-244-8220? Can you press *6 to unmute yourself?
John's a good man. Yeah, he's a good man. I think so.
Long, Tanisha Long.
I'm here.
I don't see what you have.
Longmire's here.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
hold on a second. I don't see what you have down here. Long, I do. Dog cases. That's T. It's under TA. It's under TA. NISHA. City of Detroit versus Tanisha Long, B12902-622, B12902-722, B12902-822. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Long. State your full name, Ms. Long.
Tanisha Long.
Today is the date and time. Can you spell your name for the record, Ms. Long?
Tenesha. Name Long, Long.
Very well. They got it misspelled in here. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Let's give her an offer of the dog nuisance ticket. $240 fine. We'll give her a 6-month delay on this, meaning that we'll dismiss if the dog doesn't get in any more trouble in 6 months, all right, after you pay the $240. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry to speak with him. And if she wants to take the deal, read her advice for rights, all right? Do you have, do you have the dog license and the dog at large, ma'am? I mean, well, there's 2 copies, dog at large. You have the dog license?
I'm not gonna even lie to you, Your Honor. I don't have the dog license. I can get the dog license. I just been dealing with some personal family issues this last couple of weeks, so.
All right, let's give her some time to get the dog license as well. Get the dog license, we'll dismiss the 2, you'll plead to the 1, 6-month delay. Going to get dog license and plead to 1 6-month delay. All right, come back on June the 15th. June the 15th for a pre-trial. I'll give you that time to get that dog license, okay?
I appreciate you.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. I hope it gets better for you
Thank
in
you.
your personal life, all right?
Thank you.
Have a good day. Gibbs. Etasha Gibbs. Tasha Gibbs. All right, the gentleman on the phone, what's your name again? I'm sorry, sir.
Willie Longmire.
Willie Longmire. Mr. Longmire, were you supposed to be here last week?
No. The date is for 501. 501-23.
All right, Longmire.
Willie Longmire.
Give me the correct spelling of your last name, sir.
Longmire.
M-I-R-R-O-E.
Longmire.
R-E or R-O-E?
Mire.
Okay.
Meyer. Mire.
I think he's saying just R-E. Willie.
It's Meyer.
I got it. I hope I do.
A lot of people don't know how to spell that name.
City of Detroit versus, wait a minute.
Willie Maurice Longmire.
1:30.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Willie Maurice Longmire, case number SP 142-74311. We're going to close out Z8068811. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Longmire. Please state your name, sir.
Willie Maurice Longmire.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty to in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you have registration for this vehicle, sir?
Yes, I do. But the problem was, I don't know how to work these phones. I've been on this phone since 9 o'clock. But it's my fault because I don't know how to work computers.
All right, you want to come down to show us the ballot and bring the ballot registration in? Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, when can you come in and do that, sir?
Can I do it tomorrow morning?
You can do it tomorrow morning. We'll set a pre-trial date. Give him a $0 bond. Come back tomorrow morning, May the 2nd, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Tomorrow morning.
Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Hello. I don't understand what he said.
Come back tomorrow morning at 8:30.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
I'll see you in the morning.
Yep.
Have a good day.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Gibbs, are you there? Ms. Gibbs keeps falling off.
Well, this is Miss Gibbs now on the phone.
Yeah, she's got to zoom in. She was zoomed in. I let her in, and she keeps falling off.
She said her phone is dying.
All right, well, tell her to charge it up. Or call in. All right.
So
on the iPhone, who is that on the iPhone? That's Mr.
You want to schedule?
Mr. Ligons?
Okay, we need you to
No, that's not Mr. Ligons. Who's on the iPhone? The gentleman with the hat on and take your hat off, sir. What's your name?
That's why I was saying that you wanted to say. Okay, we need to find a way to dial.
Love it.
Telephone. We need to get your telephone up.
Andre Lovett. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovett.
You ready?
All right, now, where were we with Mr. Lovett? Oh, now we don't have Ms. Snyder. Is Ms. Snyder here?
She said she was back.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, very good. Mr. Lovett has, can you put your appearance on the record, Ms. Snyder?
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, I wanted you to formulate an offer for him. He has an accident ticket, civil infraction, a driving license suspended misdemeanor, unregistered untitled misdemeanor, improper plate misdemeanor, and an old driving license suspended misdemeanor. What would you offer, Mr. Lovett?
Is the accident, is that the 0-point accident ticket or?
It's the failure, I don't know of a 0-point accident ticket. It's a failure to use due care and caution.
Let me see.
Let's see exactly what it is.
I'm pulling up the index too.
This one is on the ROA, it has, I'm going off the ROA again, and it's not always reliable at all. It doesn't appear that I have an actual ticket for that. I don't think, I do have an accident, an old ticket for driving my license suspended. I told him I could either set him a trial date or get him an offer. So I don't have an actual ticket, so I can't give you, all I can do is fail to stop with the sure clear distance is what's in the ROA.
So it might be easier to set it for trial. I think without my offer would be a fail to display and then keep the fail to stop, dismiss the balance.
And that is a 2-point offense. So what is the fail to use a sure clear distance?
I thought you said it was 2 points. Let me look.
I don't know. I'm just guessing, actually.
Caution.
Hello.
Hold on a second now.
Hello.
Hold on a second now.
Okay. How much can I put in there? Like 5?
Clear distance 2310.
Mm-hmm.
So there you're looking at 15 total for each.
That is 2 points.
2 points. It does abstract.
So are you on this one, Ms. Harris? So that's going to be 2. Who's on this one? That's going to be, I saw you writing, so you got the offer. That's going to be moving violation. So if he doesn't have a license, that's going to put him in that position of not being able to get a license for some time. So
I got a license now.
You do have a license now?
Yes, you told me when I come back, have one when I come back.
Run Mr. Levitt's driver's license, please. And it's going to be this one. All right. Let's go off the record. Mr. Legans, I don't have the information, sir. You can bring it in. Again, this is a case where, we wanted to see the driving course.
I could go right to the computer and turn the camera around and show you where the paper is. I'm like I said.
No, I'm talking to.
I went to the.
Can you
Okay.
screenshot it and put it in the chat, Mr. Legans?
What did you say? What did you say, man?
Go ahead with what you're doing.
Oh, okay. It's right here.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Austin Gregory Legans. He indicates that he took the driving course. He's going to show us on his computer the the certificate. And this is for the limited access 1-5 dismissal of the other matter. All right, there it is. All right. He just completed it this morning.
I bet I done had a rough week.
All right, that's your offer, 1-5. It's gonna abstract, but it's not gonna carry any points.
What does abstract mean? Going to abstract
That means that the Secretary of State, what do you got, a commercial license or something?
I have my chauffeur's license, yes.
That means the Secretary of State and the insurance company is gonna know that there was a speeding ticket, but it's not gonna carry any points.
Copy. Thank you.
I don't know how that affects your insurance or not.
As of right now, I don't know either.
Well, that's what Madam Schneider is offering.
Okay, I'll take it.
You want to take the deal?
I guess I want whatever doesn't put any points on my license.
Well, that's going to be no points, but it's again, it's going to abstract. I can let you speak with the lawyer if you choose to.
Okay. Yeah, let me speak with the lawyer real quick, please.
Who's on Mr. Lagans?
I am, Your Honor.
Yeah, Mr. Perry.
All right, join the room, please, sir. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovett. I do have a valid license for Mr. Lovett. Miss Snyder.
He had an extra charge other than what was on the docket, right, Your Honor?
He has a I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has an old 1990 driving while license, 2019 driving while license suspended. He has an improper plate, an unregistered untitled, another driving while license suspended, and this accident ticket. Do you have registration and insurance, sir?
I don't have no vehicle now.
Okay, so those are the allegations. And I have a valid license.
I'll amend my offer, Your Honor, to an improper plate in limited access 6 to 10.
All right, improper plate, limited access 6 to 10. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with counsel. That's gonna be 1 point. Right, counselor? $135. Improper plate is going to be $240. I'll dismiss that upon payment. It does not carry any points. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. And then we'll dismiss the balance. He has an absolute right to a trial, and we can afford him of that as well. All right, so speak to counsel in the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do.
Okay, do I have any? Oh, all right.
Go ahead. She'll explain to you. Arthur Lockheed here. All right, let's go on the record. Let's get Mr. Charles Gooden. Mr. Charles Gooden.
Mr. Goodman here.
All right, where This is City of Detroit versus Charles Kevin Goodman, case number SP 128-35691, SP 130-57233, SP 142-30651. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Goodman.
Charles Kevin Goodman, Senior.
Very well. Today, we'll call the date and time for a review. Although it was set the other day, I do understand that your notice, you indicated your notice said today, and it does get sometimes these things go out like that. It gets a little confusing. Let's see your state. Me not having the benefit of the file, I see you've done 30 hours of community service, 24, 24, and 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to close out SP 128-35691. We're going to dismiss SP 130-57233. And we're going to close out SP 142-30651. And for the reasons that you completed community service. All right, sir. Thank you for the completion of that community service. I know that people over there at Second Grace United Methodist Church definitely appreciate that. The community of well completed. How many hours did? That's what I would have done. 24. I know, but you see what I'm saying? 24, 24, and 6 would have been exactly the number that I would have given him. Okay. So 24, 20 hours, $20 an hour for every hour of community service. For 240, that would be 12. Another 240, that would be 12. And a 120, that would be 6. So I'm going to close it out for completed, all right? There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Have a great
yes.
day.
Excuse me, Your Honor. There's one more thing. Yeah. The court date that I have for the 27th, it was an additional ticket that I thought it was going to be on the same docket of not securing a child.
That's gonna be closed out. That's the one I called.
They told me I had to report back on June the 5th.
No, it's gonna be closed out on that. All of them were set for review on the 28th, and you missed the 28th.
It was the 27th. Okay, well, I mean,
28. That's what's in the computer here. All right, I'm gonna close them out. Oh, I know why I said more community service hours, maybe. And I know why it says it does not complete. It may not be complete because you owe the court some more money. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees. More than that, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 reinstatement fees of $45 a piece. And you have a $30, so you owe the court about $480 still. That's maybe why it says it's not complete, because if I paid you all of it for the $480, then you would owe us another 30 hours. I mean, another 24 hours.
Oh, is that possible that I can do that?
Yeah, of course it is. I mean, it says you haven't completed those.
Well, I completed all my community service. I had talked to Mr. Marshall over at Second Grace. He said he had a meeting with Miss Green tomorrow because she was in court today. But he told me that the court will contact him and I was clear. But I had also told them.
How many hours did you do?
30.
Yeah, so the 30 is gonna close out what I said is gonna close out. If you wanna get all of it cleared up, then you're gonna have to put another 24 into it.
That's not a problem because like I said, I had talked to the church and they was very nice people over there, and I wanted to continue to, do a little, not community service.
All right, he goes.
Yeah, because they had a nice food drive over there, and they was like lovely people, and I did helping them out. It was been a long time coming since I did something like that. And
good.
And I also take part in my neighborhood over here on Southfield and Joy Road on the west side of Detroit. Every other Saturday, we clean up the neighborhoods, but I don't include that in my community service because that's something that we do over here in this neighborhood as well.
All right, I'm gonna put another referral in for Ms. Green. When can you have that community service done?
I can report whenever they need me. Like I said,
24 hours. Let's have you back next month on June the 1st at 8:25. All right.
And today, June the 1st.
No, today is May the 1st.
I mean, okay, yeah, okay.
He's doing so much community service hours, he can't even remember the date.
I've been trying to get back to work, and it's been kind of hectic for me. It's been a real tough year.
Well, it's gonna get better then. I mean, I can only say that with continued perseverance and you making relationships over here with the church and the people you've done the community service with. I can't see that you not be able to parlay that into something that's lucrative for yourself.
Yes, sir.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. I'm going to give you another review date. Let us know. We'll give Mr. Green a referral for that other 24 hours. You can contact her in the meantime, and you can get started on that. And I'll close all of that stuff out upon completion of the community service.
Okay, so
what I'm going to do right now, let me see that. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to waive this $30 for this no insurance. Do you have a valid license, sir?
No, I do not, sir. I'm trying to get all that taken care of.
All right. Why don't you go to the Secretary of State in 48 to 72 hours? Let's waive that $30 fee. We'll do that right now. I'll write it on there. And then that should, you should be clear unless you have some tickets in other jurisdictions. You should be clear here. All right, let's do that. All right, so wait 48 to 72 hours for that clearance to get there, and hopefully you can get a valid license in the meantime, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thanks for everybody that's there.
Better day. Good luck to you. This is the city of Detroit. What's going to go on with Mr.
Love it.
Love it.
We are respectfully requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Lovett?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Andre Lovett. I'm going to give you a trial date of July the 10th, 2023 at 9 a.m., sir.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Etasha Lona Gibbs, case numbers SP 1142773, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1169375, counts 1 and counts 2, 217171, 281. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gibbs, please state your name.
Etasha Gibbs.
All right, Ms. Gibbs, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. We've been here on a previous pretrial. What was your responsibility, ma'am?
To get proof of insurance.
She has a valid license. And now that she's not signed online, I can't see. Do you have insurance?
I emailed it to you.
Did you email it to me? Let's see. And what email address did you send that to, ma'am?
Sean, what is it?
No, what email address did you send it from?
Oh, Paris Pete at Gmail.
Paris?
Yes.
P-A-R-I-S?
PARISPEETE at Gmail.
I don't have it either. I don't know why I'm not getting any of these emails. Are you putting the period in there? P-A-R-I-S.
Let me try to.
And what is the rest of the email?
PEETE.
P-E-E-T-E?
Yes, I can resend it to you.
I'm not getting that. I got some people's emails. I got some people's emails addressed today, so I know that I'm good on my end and the right address and no typos or anything. But Mr. Lagan, I haven't gotten your stuff. Miss Etasha Gibbs, I'll even look up Gibbs.
What are you cooking? What is it, chicken?
I don't have any email address. All right, let's pass it until she gets that email to me. Now, Lamb is the last one to City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Kenneth Barrington Eric Lamb. Case numbers SP 1263151, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1285777, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1322001, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1322052, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lamb. State your full name, Mr. Lamb, for the record.
Kenneth Barrington Eric Lamb.
Today is the date. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial of the matter. We need an offer, at least if he wants an offer. We have a failure to use signal, improper lane use, drove in an unsafe manner, driving while license suspended, improper plates, unregistered, untitled, improper plates, and excessive noise. We can get you an offer or we can get you a trial date. What would you like to do, sir?
I know I know I'm supposed to have my license back by then, but I ended up breaking my hand, so I've been on work for like a month trying to get back. So I would have
Say
had my
all
license
that
back
again?
before.
You're sitting in the driver's seat of the vehicle, correct?
Yeah, I'm using my auntie car right now because she was at work. She worked from home, so I had to go somewhere quiet.
You have a valid driver's license, sir?
Not right now. I would have had it back, but I ended up messing my hand up. So I've been off work for the last month.
So you zoom in to court on some traffic infractions, and allegation is you drive my license suspended. You zoom into court in the driver's seat of a vehicle. You indicate to the court that you're using your aunt's car right now.
No, I'm not using the car. I sat in her car. I'm at her house. I sat in her car.
No, I thought you said you're using. I thought I heard you say you're using your aunt's car right now. No. So you indicate you didn't say that.
No, I said I sat in her car so I can know like somewhere quiet I can see me.
You didn't say you were using your aunt's car now.
No, I said I'm sitting in her car, sitting.
No, you said you were using your aunt's car.
Okay. I meant to say I'm sitting in her car, sitting in the car so I can be on the court because she works.
So what you're saying is you're using your aunt's car to sit in here for some peace and quiet or something, so you can sit in court. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll get them an offer. Now, are you trying to get a valid license, sir?
Yes, I am. I just started back work this week.
All right. Well, what's preventing you from getting a license?
I got held up because I ended up breaking my hand, so it set me back for a few weeks.
How does that set you back from getting a license?
No, I mean I was working, but I couldn't work for a few weeks. I've been off work for 4 weeks, so I couldn't work because of my hand. They actually let me go back to work with this within this week. Okay.
Well, again. Have you gone to the Secretary of State to even try to get a license?
Yes, I have. I had a license. I got a ticket in Allen Park. I have to pay off.
Okay, that's what I want to know. All right, how long is it going to take you to get that license?
About maybe 2-3 weeks.
Set a pre-trial date for June the 15th, 2023. He needs to probably take that better driver's course too. It's up to you, but Ms. Snyder's probably not going to give you that favorable of an offer as at least as it relates to points if you don't take that course. I'm gonna put the course in the chat, and you can decide to take it if you want to or not. If you do take it, make sure you email me the certificate once you complete it and ahead of your next court date, all right? That way we can make things go a little smooth.
Okay.
Course in the chat. You take a screenshot of that. I'm gonna have you back on June 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Lamb?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a great day, and then you can take the screenshot of that course. You can do it now if you're gonna take it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir. And you're free to leave once you get that information.
Okay.
Can you run Tasha Gibbs license, please? Okay. Let's go back on the record with Tasha Gibbs. Ms. Gibbs, I do have valid registration. What about insurance, ma'am? Do you have valid insurance? Okay.
Yes, I do.
So I do see valid insurance. And that's the same street my father lived on. What's going on? So how far is that away from Oakland?
Oakland is right there, actually right off Oakland.
It's just right there, right? The first or second house.
The second house.
Are you behind the ice cream place?
I'm right across the street from it.
Yeah. On the same side of Oakland, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
That's right where my father. I don't think their house is there anymore though.
I'm actually the second house off the corner.
Yeah, I know exactly. Do you go to the ice cream place?
Yeah, my kids does.
All right, I have a valid license for Miss Gibbs. I have valid registration and insurance for Miss Gibbs. So what we'll do, they're all document tickets. Any objection to dismiss for valid documentation, Counselor?
No objection.
All right, dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. I'll waive the warrant fees. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gibbs, I may see you at the ice cream parlor.
I hope so.
They got some good food over there too.
Yeah, their nachos is okay.
Oh, this all you? I had the hot dog. Looks good.
Oh no. Mm-mm.
You ain't eating that, huh?
No.
All right. There's nothing further, ma'am. Very good day. Good
All right,
luck.
thank you. Thank you.
All right. That leaves me with Lampkin, who, and then Lagans. Let's see what Lagans is doing. I got Lagans. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lagans. All right, now I do have a, so was that your error, Mr. Lagans?
It has to be.
I got a valid better driver's course. So we already talked about, I think you showed us that. What do you want to do? Oh, you spoke to Mr. Berry. What do you want to do? Do you want to take the limited access 1 to 5, Mr. Berry, or what do you want to speak to Mrs. Schneider? Or what do you want to do?
He wants to take advantage of the limited access 1 to 5, Your Honor, and dismiss the remaining matter.
All right, very well. Well, as it relates to the offer, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for your responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Where were you on, what street were you on when you were doing the speeding?
I honestly can't even remember. I don't have that paperwork in front of me.
Connor, southbound Connor and Charlevoix?
Charlevoix. I guess so, yeah. Yeah, driving down Connors, I guess.
I mean, it's not an area where it's like no houses on that street.
Yeah, that's
I
like
don't know if
I think that's the industrial area. I think that's the day I had drove past the precinct and I was on the phone and I was driving like 10 over, something like that.
Nah, you weren't driving 10 over. You were driving 16, 20 over.
Yeah, I can't even remember that day. I don't even remember.
And what type of driving do you do for the chauffeur's license?
Well, I delivered produce in a 26-foot box truck. I did. As of this week, I'm doing security now.
Okay. All right. So you don't use the chauffeur's license anymore?
Oh yeah, as of 2 weeks now, yeah. I end up losing that job because I was in the warehouse. It took me off my route basically because I had caught another ticket, and now I don't have that job anymore. So I am searching for another job that is a required chauffeur's license because security is not paying enough. But I will be currently using my chauffeur soon once I find another job.
I was asking that to see if Miss Schneider would be willing to give you a one-time blocking traffic. I don't know.
How are you?
Is she still here? There we go.
Hello, Your Honor.
Yeah, Ms. Snyder, he's taken the class. He's got this chauffeur license. I don't know how abstract, what that abstraction will do. Do you have any objection to that, Ms. Snyder?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. This is a one-time deal, sir. Now, already, I can say, what I will say about this right there in that area, because I used to live over there, is it is an industrial place. There's no housing or anything going down there. But already, you've already told us on the record that you're on the phone. So that could be a major distraction and why you're speeding as well, too. But since you took the course, you have this chauffeur's license, and we want to see you get a better job. We're going to amend it to blocking traffic, but you're going to have to pay another $75. I mean, another, what is that? Another, you're going to have to pay $175. So that'll be an extra $50.
Okay, so you want me to pay an extra $50?
Yeah, to get that blocking traffic. The blocking traffic is $175 as opposed to the limited access $125, but you're not getting that abstraction, so you don't have to question whether it's going to do anything to affect your chauffeur's license. It probably won't affect your chauffeur's license, but it may affect your insurance. So
okay.
All right. So you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right. Amended count of blocking traffic will find you responsible $175. When can you pay it?
If I could ask for like maybe 2 to 3 weeks, because I just started this new job I'm gonna give
you till June the 1st, 2023. Okay. That's a month. Pay it, sir, and the case will be closed out. Don't pay it, and it's gonna affect your license. All right.
Okay, so you say I got to pay $175 or an extra $50?
$175.
Okay, copy.
$175 by June 1st. Pay it at any div dat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it downtown. Come on down and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. Sir, you too.
Right. Slow down too.
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Lampkin, did you get a chance to talk to someone, Mr. Lampkin?
You said, did I get a chance to talk to someone?
Yeah. Let's get Mr. City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus I don't know why you're here. Let's see. Travis Ramon Lampkin. I mean, I know you have some tickets, but it doesn't appear that you have you missed your court date. City of Detroit versus Travis Ramon Lampkin.
Travis Chavez Lampkin.
Oh, I always get that messed up, don't I?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't need.
Still missed your court date. All right, now you were here. Did you take the driving course?
Yes, I did, sir. And
You sent it to me?
excuse me.
Yes, you sent me the driving course.
No, and on the driving course, like on the 10th question of the driving course, it won't load the last test or something. We say something about press play within the advertisement or something like that, and it won't load on there. I can log out, reload. It got a time limit on there, but it won't load the actual last 10th part of the test. It keeps saying press play, but it's a blank screen in the bottom of the 10th test part.
Okay, here's the deal. Mr. Lampkin comes to us, I believe I remember this, and he has 2 moving violations, 11 to 15, and 16 to 20. You couldn't get your license because of this? What is that? What it is? Run his driver's license, please. Chavez. It always comes up. It comes up Ramon first because the Ramon is ahead of Chavez. I'm going to take that. He's definitely a frequent flyer. Not much, but a couple of pages. What about your license, sir? Was that why you were trying to do this course and stuff?
Yes.
Because you had the moving violations, and they told you you weren't going to be eligible for a license for quite some time. Is that correct?
No, actually, I had my license, and my license had got suspended before a ticket or something that I had missed payment on. I had license, sir.
The problem with it is I have valid registration and insurance for this vehicle.
Yes, and that's what I had got a ticket for.
Well, that's one G, 2019 G. I have valid registration insurance. No, that's the speeding ticket. All right, 2004 Chevy. This is a 2016. Different vehicle. I don't know what we're doing.
Excuse me. The last time that I had seen you in court or whatever, I don't know if I had to pay a reinstatement fee or something, but I end up getting pulled over and they end up giving me a warning, but they said my license were restricted.
Your license is not restricted. Your license is suspended. Did you do a re-examination on April the 5th?
A re-examination? Like what? At the Secretary of State?
Yes.
No, I wasn't aware I had to. So I have to do a re-examination again?
All right, so what I'm saying here,
Is this scheduled for today? Okay, okay, listen. Okay. Thank you.
SP 11562-072, that needs to be, that was dismissed.
It
Was dismissed, and that appears to be something, appears to not, appears to be still affecting his license. It's dismissed already. This is, that's the one thing. Next thing, I need to see that. I need to see that. And you're gonna have to go call those people about that test, because that's the biggest thing here. If we do anything, if anybody's inclined to do it, if anybody's inclined to do anything for you, you need to get that test, that test completed. So you need to get in contact with the another ticket that's affecting his license is what he's here for now.
Excuse me, Your Honor. You say the biggest thing that is affecting me in my license is what now, sir?
Well, what's affecting your license, you got this 16 to 20 over.
16 and 20 over. Was
that's
that
affecting your license? 4-point offense. I believe that's gone into default. That happened this year, and it went into default this year. So that's going to affect your license. 2, the speeding ticket. Another speeding ticket, 3-point offense, 11 to 15 over.
We'll say what streets?
The 16 to 20 over was on Van Dyke and Palmetto. The 11 to 15 over, they arose out of all the same tickets. That you have clearance for the insurance ticket. $11.19. So, this insurance, you got clearances on here. You must have paid the $45 reinstatement fee. All right, so what we're gonna do is first and foremost, I remember you're gonna have to get us the, you're gonna have to get us the proof of that course. That's gonna be the first order of business.
Proof of the what?
Of the course. Let's call the case. This is Travis Chavez Lampkin, case number SP 1299518, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 143183331. Mr. Lampkin, state your name for the record, please.
Travis Chavez Lampkin.
All right. You're gonna have to get us proof that you took the driver course, and I'm gonna need, can we get a file on these? These are civil infractions. You should have a file somewhere, shouldn't you?
Scheduled. When was he scheduled?
Let me see. He was scheduled to be here on the 20th.
On the 20th, okay.
He didn't show. All right. I want to read, I remember you having this issue, but I want to read exactly what it said in the file.
Okay.
So, and the first order of business, if anything is going to be done or it can be done, you're going to have to send over the proof of the course. So you're going to either have to take it over or you're going to have to call them up and see if you can start where you left off.
That's not the problem about starting where I left off, but they do have a number on the course site. They do have a number on the course site, and I'm on the 10th and final course, and they will not let me press play nowhere on the screen. So I might have to give them a call.
Well, you're going to have to give them a call.
You should call and ask.
Yes.
Do you have an ink pen?
Just a second.
I'm going to put it in the chat.
I think I'll do better with an e-pen. Last time I got stumbled up with the chat. What is it?
800 909
909
1050
909
1050.
909 1050.
Yes, and ask for Hank.
Is this 313?
800. A 1-800 number.
Okay, 800.
909 1050. Ask for Hank. That's who the contact we have down here.
And have him contact you?
No, have him get you reset on that, so you tell him your issue.
Okay. So once I resolve this driving course class, will everything be, and I send everything back over to you today, like before the end of the day is over with?
Send it over to me before the end of the day is over, and then can he come back? Can we get the file by tomorrow?
I'll look for it.
We'll look for the file. Come back tomorrow morning.
No, I just get some tickets.
Yeah. Come back tomorrow and let's set this file.
Okay. So
say log back in tomorrow morning.
Yeah. If you have that, log back in tomorrow morning. I'll put the date on this. All right. Log back in tomorrow morning. All right. If you have that documentation.
Okay.
All right. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Yeah, you're all set.
I should be all set. I thought. I'll be
Well,
all set with my license
we
and
got
everything.
a long conversation. You're gonna have to pay some money. It's gonna be something, Ms. Snyder's gonna make a determination, gonna have to give you an offer and stuff on this stuff, so you're not gonna be all set, but you'll be on your way to trying to get set. But before we have any discussion of what's gonna be done, I need to see the proof of the driving course.
Okay.
So we can't even talk until
Okay,
then,
cool.
all right?
All right, I appreciate you.
All right, have a good day. I'll see you in the morning if you have that course.